This is the Retrolife Bluetooth record player. So you can see I've got my Bluetooth speaker here. I can pause it, which basically just mutes the music on the Bluetooth speaker itself. But it's really cool that you can use this with Bluetooth. So it also has line out. You see those RCA outs. Then you got Bluetooth. You can hook it up to your computer. You got speed 33, 45, auto stop, on and off. And you can even adjust the pitch of this record player, which is really nice to be able to have that flexibility. There's the power input and the on-off switch. So it comes in this box. There is a little bit of assembly required. You basically just have to put the belt on and the plate. But overall, this record player, I like the design. It is nice and slick. It's just this black look, very minimalistic on the front. All of the functions are on the back. So it just is a really good looking record player. Now I do want to point out, Retrolife sent this to me to do this review. I'm really impressed with the look and the functionality. When I first got this though, and I turned it on for the first time, I have to admit I was not very impressed with the sound. So this is the very first record I put on, and you'll hear as I put it on, it's got kind of that hum and scratchy sound. Now this isn't too uncommon, but most record players now sound better than this. So I tried this on a brand new record. I'm like, maybe a brand new record, it will sound better. So this is just a classical record, never been played before. And you can hear this. Now this is the original cartridge, and in a bit I'll show you a new cartridge. Okay, so this is with the new Audio-Technica cartridge. You can hear that the sound is so much better. So I actually worked with Retrolife. I told them the cartridge was no good. They sent me this replacement Audio-Technica cartridge. I put it on. It sounds so much better than the original cartridge. So overall, with this Audio-Technica cartridge, I am really happy and really impressed with this record player. Again, the design on this thing is just so slick. It looks so cool. I like the functionality that you've got on this record player. I like that you can adjust the pitch or the speed. And I like the basic, simple design. What I like most about this though is that you can transmit to Bluetooth. So everything I have now is Bluetooth. All of my speakers are Bluetooth. I have all of my headsets are Bluetooth. So I can put on my Bluetooth headphones, use this record player, and listen to some of my old LPs, some of my vinyls with my Bluetooth headphones. That's really nice with this. Overall, I think Retrolife got this record player almost exactly perfect, minus the original cartridge they sent this out with. Now, I don't know what cartridge they send this out currently with, but if it's not the Audio-Technica one, you probably should get that with this record player because it makes such a big difference. It sounds so much better. Overall, really cool record player. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.